Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Professor Usman Ali, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. Now, due to COVID-19, my lectures are important for FSC second year students so that they can mentally prepare for their exams by staying at home. Now, we are going to discuss resonance method. Before discussing this, if you don't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get whole of the videos about structure of benzene, about resonance, about second year whole, so that you can prepare yourself by staying at home. Now, we are going towards our lecture, what is called as resonance method, to explain the structure of benzene. Resonance, what is called as resonance? Dear students, if we look at this boat, dear students, in benzene there are carbon atoms, and each carbon atom has anhybrid p orbital. Each carbon atom has anhybrid p orbital. These p orbitals once can make pi bond with one another. As shown in this fig, these two pi electrons are making pi electrons, or which electron? They are present in the valence shell. They are making pi bond. These two are making pi bond. These two are making pi bond. In resonance, what happens in resonance? This pi bond, once it is formed between these two and these two, once it is formed, it can change its pairing. How it can change its pairing? It will break older pi bond and will make new pi bond. What happens by forming these three new pi bonds? In fact, the pairing scheme of pi electrons is changed. Its direction is changed. In benzene, pi bond will change its direction. Pi bond, how pi bond is formed? Pi bond is formed due to valence electrons. And these valence electrons will change their pairing. Once these valence electron of an atom, say in benzene, they change their pairing. Which valence electrons? Anhybrid p orbitals, which are used to make pi bond. Those anhybrid p orbitals will change their pairing scheme, and they will change the direction of pi bond. Once the direction of pi bond is changed, it will produce different structures. The possibility of different pairing scheme of valence electrons. Pairing scheme, as we have discussed, the pi electrons will change their pairing scheme, and it will produce large number of different structures. And which structures are produced are called resonance structures, resonance contributing structures, or canonical structures. Dear students, as we have discussed in the benzene structures, how resonance is produced. So dear students, that resonance is produced due to shifting of pi electrons. Once these pi electrons are shifted, they will change their position and pi bond will change its position. This will produce the structures. How these pi electrons will change their position? So some conditions are required. Only those cases can change their pairing scheme. Only those pi electrons can change their scheme which have those molecules which have conjugation. What is called as conjugation? Those molecules which have alternate double, single and double bond, that is called as conjugation. Once there is the presence of conjugation, conjugation is alternate double and single bond. Once alternate single and double bonds are present, the resonance will be produced, and greater the number of resonance contributing structures, greater will be the stability of benzene. This resonance method will deal about the stability of benzene, as benzene can make 5 resonance contributing structures. For writing these structures, double headed arrow is used. So for writing resonance contributing structures, double headed arrow is used. Due to resonance, there are 5 contributing structures. First 2 are Cauchy structures and last 3 are called as Dewar structures. Due to resonance, Cauchy structures are major contributing. They are mostly produced about 78%, but Dewar structures are minor contributed due to resonance. What happens? Why Dewar structures are minor contributed due to resonance? The answer of this question lies here on whiteboard. Dear students, X-ray studies show that in benzene all carbon atoms are of same bond length and their bond length is about 1.397 angstrom, which is proven in Cauchy structures but not in Dewar structures. Why? In Dewar structures, carbon number 1 and 4, this bond length, carbon number 3 and 6, this bond length, and carbon number 2 and 5, this bond length. These bond lengths are greater than others, which cannot be proven about X-rays. So, as it is not proven by the X-ray study of benzene that few bond length can be larger, so Cauchy structures are major and Dewar structures are minor contributed due to resonance, as they are not proven by X-rays study, which shows that all carbon atoms are of same bond length, that is equal to 1.397 angstrom. As we know, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised power 10 raised power minus 10 meter, 1 angstrom. Now, 2 major structures exist which are called as Cauchy structure, and original structure is hybrid of these 2 contributing structures. Dear students, contributing structures do not exist actually. They are only written. They are imaginary. Original structure is produced from resonance structures which are imaginary. original structure is a hybrid of these two, as mole is produced from horse and donkey. So original structure is produced from these two, hybrid generation. In alkanes, so as in alkanes bond length is 1.54 angstrom, carbon-carbon single bond length. In alkenes bond length is 1.34 angstrom. In alkyne bond length is 1.20 angstrom. In benzene that bond length is 1.397 angstrom, that is in between single bond or double bond. So it shows that in benzene all carbon atom are of same length, and that length is not actually about carbon carbon single bond, about carbon carbon double bond. That bond length is in between carbon carbon single bond and carbon carbon double bond. In fact, in benzene there is no concept of 3 double bond and 3 single bond. In fact, pi bond is resonated, it will be delocalized. Resonate means delocalization. Pi bond, spread of pi bonds. So as pi bonds is delocalized, so the original structure can be written as, and circle is drawn inside the ring. Circle shows that pi bond is delocalized in entire ring, and the bond length is in between single bond and double bond. And dear students, as we have discussed, this resonance contributing structures will show that why in benzene the pi bond is delocalized. It is delocalized due to resonance contributing structures. Till now, Allah Hafiz. Next time we will study the stability of benzene.